Hello everyone, and welcome to the video Software Testing Tools Every QA Should Know. Thank you for joining us. Let's get started. When a person starts looking at job openings and reviewing requirements for the QA engineer position, they often have many questions and get the impression that the candidate should know everything in the world. For example, know at least 3 programming languages, have experience using any testing tool, be able to automate everything, have skills to successfully pass an interview, have at least 2 years of experience for a trainee level, have experience working on a complex project in a big team, etc. In fact, the beast is not as scary as they say, and we are going to show you several basic aspects to overcome your fear. To be a tester and build a successful career in this field, you need to have knowledge of key issues such as know and understand the theory of testing, know how to write test documentation, have knowledge of using software testing tools, know how to write a resume, have skills to successfully pass an interview. To successfully pass an interview for the position of QA engineer, we have a separate course on Udemy, the link to which we will attach in the description. Within this video, we will focus our attention on the question, software testing tools every QA should know. As you know, testing can be both manual and automated. Manual testing involves a human tester executing test cases without the aid of automation scripts or tools. However, manual testing can still be supported by various tools to enhance efficiency and accuracy. In the video, we will explain manual testing tools that do not include automation, but help improve the work of a manual tester. Let's consider what types of tools are available for testing. Web testing tools, Chrome DevTools, Browser Stack, mobile testing tools, Android Studio Xcode, test management tools, Jira TestRail, API testing tools, Postman, performance testing tools, Apache JMeter, capturing network traffic tool, Wireshark, security testing tools, OWASP Zap Burp Suite, screen capture tools, Snagit Greenshot, test automation tools, Selenium Appium. There are many testing tools available for each type, and their use depends on the specifics of the project. If the project includes web usage, you need to perform testing of the web application, and for this reason you should be able to use web testing tools. For example, knowing how to use web testing tools such as Chrome DevTools, Browser Stack to test front end of the website such as Facebook. If the project includes mobile usage, you need to perform testing of the mobile application. For this reason, you should be able to use mobile testing tools. For example, knowing how to use Android Studio for Android devices and Xcode apps for iOS devices to test the installation of the Instagram application on the mobile device. If you are working on a back-end project, you need to perform testing of the API. For this reason, you should be able to use API testing tools. For example, knowing how to use Postman to test the API post request and check if the user is registered on the e-commerce website after submitting the registration form. If you are working on a project that requires performance check and you need to run different types of performance testing, for this reason you should be able to use performance testing tools. For example, knowing how to use JMeter to check how a web page loads if 1,000 users try to load it simultaneously in 1 second. If this is a project that focuses on networking and you need to check different network testing scenarios, for this reason you should be able to use capturing network traffic tools. For example, knowing how to use Wireshark to test how many IP addresses encountered packet loss during periods when users experienced connectivity issues. This is just a general framework for using software testing tools. In reality, using each testing tool, the tester must know many of its various features. For example, when testing with Chrome DevTools, the tester must know how to test HTML CSS code of web pages, test different screen resolutions, test different internet connections, clean up web page data such as cookies, inspect network requests and responses, review different types of logs, etc. As you can see, this is a very extensive and complex topic. That's why we have prepared a separate course, Software Testing Tools Every QA Should Know, which includes an overview of such software testing tools as Web Testing Tools, Chrome DevTools, Browser Stack, Mobile Testing Tools, Android Studio Xcode, API Testing Tools, Postman, Performance Testing Tools, Apache JMeter, Capturing Network Traffic Tool, Wireshark. Throughout the course, we will showcase various fundamental functionalities of each tool, providing practical demonstrations that empower testers to apply these skills effectively in their day-to-day work. The course also includes a detailed guide for another innovative tool that every QA should know, ChatGPT. In this guide, we will address the question how to use ChatGPT in software testing. To enroll in the course, follow the link provided in the description. That's all from our side. If there are topics that you would like to see, write a comment or question to the lecturer. And we hope to see you in the next video.